students, today we are going to learn the new topic, grammar, okay? Subject verb agreement. In grammar book, already we finished modals, yes, may and might. It is a helping verb, yes? And now we are moving to the topic subject verb agreement. What is mean by subject? Subject means it is in the beginning of a sentence. Okay, it is subject, the boy, the girl, we. Yes, all in the beginning of a sentence it comes under subject. And verb, what is mean by verb? Verb means it is action. Okay, see here one sentence, a rabbit plays in our garden every day. A rabbit plays in our garden every day. This is subject verb agreement. Okay, now see here, two rabbits play in our garden every day. What is the difference between the two sentences? Just listen. Rabbit, rabbits. See here no yes, here yes is added. Okay, see here yes is there and here no yes. This is the agreement. Agreement means oru oppandam. Okay, between who and who, subject and verb. If there is a yes in subject means there is no yes in this verb. Okay, there is a no yes in subject means verb it has yes. For rabbit, see here, for the sentence, if subject has subject does not has yes means the verb has yes, and the subject has yes means the verb does not has yes. Okay, அதாவது சப்ஜெக்ட்ல எஸ் இருந்தா வெர்ப்ல எஸ் இருக்காது. சப்ஜெக்ட்ல வெர்ப் சப்ஜெக்ட்ல எஸ் இல்லனா வெர்ப்ல எஸ் இருக்கும். This is the rule. Okay, this is the agreement between the subject and verb. Okay, now see here, there are some rules are here. Simple past tense without helping verb. What are the helping verb? Yes, in the previous lesson we learned may, might, can, could. All these are modals and helping verbs, right? Simple past tense without helping verb, which means, see, now take page number 32. Now just to go through it, we yes, rabbit. See, for rabbit we don't put yes. A rabbit is a subject. We are not giving s to that, which means it is not a plural. Okay, see, a rabbit, it is singular. For that, for the verb we are giving yes. We are making this as a singular. And see, two rabbits. Yes, it is plural. So we are not giving yes in the verb. So this is the agreement. Now take page number 32. Verbs used in the simple past tense without any helping verb remain the same for both singular and plural subjects. Singular or plural இப்போ past tense without helping verb இல்லாம past tenseல வந்தா it will never change. Okay, subject and subject and singular and plural the same. Singular or plural same ஆ தான் இருக்கும். Okay, let me see the example. The police officer, so one singular. Yes, so I put yes, singular. See, past tense, talked is past tense. Already we know. Yes, talked is past tense. It is in past tense. So we are not adding yes. Okay, see here next one. Remain the same. அதாவது the verb வந்து மாறாது. See, singularக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம், singularக்கு past tenseல வந்ததுன்னா மாறாது. Okay, and also the police officers. See, officers plural. See, plural also not changed. Talked. So it never change. See the first rule, simple past tense helping verb oda vandal. Okay, simple past tense without helping verb illamal vanda the verb is not change. Verb வந்து change ஆகாது. எப்படி இருக்கோ அப்படியே தான் ஆன்சர்லயே வரும். Okay, see next one, verb used with helping verb. Next page, when a verb is used with a helping verb, இது helping verb இல்லாம வந்து past tenseல வந்தா அப்படியே வரும். எஸ்ஸோ இல்லட்ட இந்த ed எடுத்து எஸ்ஸோ இல்லட்ட எஸ் போடாமே இருக்க கூடாது, அப்படியே இருக்கதை எழுதிர வேண்டியதான். And now next one, verb is used with a helping verb. Helping verb means may, might, can, could அப்படி ஏதாவது வச்சு வந்ததுன்னா it will see main verb அப்படியே இருக்கும். main verbனா walk, talk, speak, okay, that action main verb அப்படியே இருக்கும். but helping verb is changed. helping verb வந்து என்ன செய்யும், சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். helping verb வந்து மாடல் ஆக்சிலரிஸ்ல helping verb வந்து can, could, may, might, shall, should அதெல்லாம் helping verb வரும். ஓகே, மாடல்ஸ்ல. and சாதாரண helping verbs நம்ம எதை சொல்லுவோம், in the previous term we learned, right, linking verb and helping verb. linking verb means it can join two things, two sentences. helping verb means it can support the main verb. yes, it can help the main verb. so what are the words comes under helping verb? is, was, yes, these all come under, see, singular na oru idula, see, all these all are helping verbs. இதே இது singularல helping verb change ஆகும் சொல்லிருக்கோம். அப்படிதானே? எப்படி சேஞ்ச் ஆகுதுன்னா is ஆரா மாறும், was வேற மாறும், has have மாறும், does do மாறும். okay, see, singular noun means for one we can talk is, was, has, does. for plural noun we can talk are, were, have, do. okay, this is the second rule. first one is without helping verb it can never change, be the same, talk only. next, with helping verb the main verb the same but the helping verb is changed. okay, main verb அப்படியே இருக்கும், helping verb மட்டும் change ஆகும். so is ஆரா மாறும், was வேற மாறும். if it is plural form means it comes this, if it is singular noun means it comes this. okay, and now next rule, see the next rule. this rule does not apply to modal verbs. in the rules it is helping verb, right, it is not used for the modal verb. what are the modal verb? now only I told what are they, can, could, shall, should, may, might, will, would and must. these are modals. for these modals it will not apply. and also one more thing, it will not apply if we use I and you. see, not apply to the subject is I and you. subject la I illata you vandaduna இந்த ரூல் அப்ளை ஆகாது. எந்த ரூல் அப்ளை ஆகாது? இந்த ரூல் அப்ளை ஆகாது. ஓகே, these 2 points comes under this only. okay, this is separate point, this is the same point, up to this is the same point. see, I you vanda apply ஆகாது, and also models வந்தாலும் apply ஆகாது. next one, let me move to the next example. next rule, when the subject of a sentence has 2 or more nouns or pronouns connected by and, we use the plural form of the verb. அதாவது ரெண்டு சப்ஜெக்ட் ரெண்டு நவுன் ரெண்டு ப்ரொனவுன் அப்படி வந்ததுன்னா ஒரு ரெண்டு பேரை அமித் அண்ட் அனிரோத் அப்படி ரெண்டு பேரை சொல்லணும்னா அதுல மெயினா ஒரு வேர்டு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். என்ன வேர்டு? and யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். and யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது இது ப்ளூரல் ஃபார்மா மாறிடும். ஸோ ரெண்டு பேரை சொல்லும் போது ரெண்டு பேர் தனித்தனி நேம் and யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம ப்ளூரல் ஆக்குறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ now let me do this exercise. Choose the correct verbs to fill in the blanks. See, this car. See the subject, this car. This car is the subject. Here as like the rabbit. Okay. So where we want to add the yes. எதுல yes add பண்ணனும்? In the verb. Then how? Which is the answer here? Yes, first one answer is runs. Runs. Yes will come. So tick the word. Next one. The book and the bag dash to me. The book and the bag. See, this rule is applied here. And two things are there. So and the bag, for that what we want to do? It is already in plural form, so we not want to add yes. So just write belong. No, yes will not come. So belong. It is already in plural. Okay, next one. Raja and Rahil dash to attend the classes from next week. Is going or are going? Are going. Okay, plural, right? Raja and Rahil, 2 members. So plural. Plural nouns are we want to use. Is this for singular noun or is for plural noun? So we want to use are. Are going. Next one. The teacher dash to the students. Is talking or talking? One teacher is talking. So is talking. It is singular. So is. Next one. Tim and Jim dash to school every day. See, as like this sentence, Tim and Jim. Two characters are coming here. Okay, dash to school every day. This rule and this rule is applied here. So we want to write walk, not walks. Walk. Okay, walk. Okay, next one. And now we are going to learn some more examples for the subject verb agreement. Okay, first one, when there is one subject, okay, when there is only one subject and more than one verb, the words throughout the sentence have to agree with the subject, which means ஒரே ஒரு subject இருந்து ஒண்ணுக்கும் மேல, okay, ஒண்ணுக்கும் மேல, so +1 I gave, ஒண்ணுக்கும் மேல verb இருந்தால் as usual a rabbit plays, yes, that form only. See, roses, so verb is grow. Their rose means grows. Okay, subject la s illana verb la s varum, subject la s irundha verb la s varadu. Okay, next one, see the next one, page number 34. We use a singular verb with units of distance, periods of time, sums of money, etc. அதாவது ஒரு டிஸ்டன்ஸை குறிக்கிறதுக்கோ இல்லாட்டா ஒரு டைமை டினோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கோ இல்லாட்டா மணியை குறிக்கிறதுக்கோ நம்ம சிங்குலர் இஸ் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே, see here, yes, singular verb for unit of distance, period of time, sum of money. Okay, see here, 3 kilometer, distance I mentioned here. So 3 kilometer is too far to walk, so I use the verb is. Okay, helping verb is, singular verb. Next, uncountable noun. See in the next page, page number 35, we use singular verbs with uncountable noun such as money, information, water, sugar, beauty, love. இதெல்லாம் நம்மளால count பண்ண முடியாது. For the uncountable noun we are using is. Okay, we are using is. See here, the water is too hot. So for the water, yes, water is here. I am taking this as an example. So is. Okay, next one, collective noun. For subject we will not want to add yes. Okay, next step, collective noun. Collective noun means what? Yes, for a group we are giving a specific name, it is collective noun. Okay, we use singular verbs with collective nouns such as swam, group, soul and class. This is because even though they talk about more than one person or animal, they are described as one single unit or group. அப்படின்னா என்னன்னா, இப்போ நிறைய ஒரு crowd people வந்து நிறைய இருக்காங்க. So how will we say in the collective noun? A crowd of people. So that is one group. So we want to take it as a one unit. One unit na singular ah edukano. We not want to take it as plural. Okay, and the word is singular ah edukano. So see here, the swarm of bees. Bees oda கூட்டத்தை என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Swarm. So swarm of bees. It is the collective noun. Swarm of bees. See, the swarm of bees is headed this way. So we want to use the helping verb is. Okay, now let me do the exercise. Check the correct form of the verb that agrees with the subject. எது subject கூட agree ஆகி போகுதுன்னு பார்த்து டிக் பண்ணணும். See, the monkey. monkey. There is no S, so we want to put S in the verb. So which is the answer? Climbs. So tick the word climbs. Next one. We dash to the park. We plural. So we want to use are. So are walking. We want to tick the word or walking. Next one. All the students dash in excitement when the class picnic was announced. See, all the students in the previous rules we learned. Yes, jumped. So past tense. It is in simple past tense. So jumped. We want to tick the word jumped. Next one. George and Tamana dash want to watch that movie. So in the singular noun, in the previous rule we learned singular noun, plural noun. Singular noun does means plural noun. We want to use the word do. So which is the answer here? Do not. Next one. The girls dash tennis and dash really well. So this is this rule. One subject and more than one verb. See, only one subject. The girls. The girls ங்கிறது ஒரே ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட். அங்க பாரு ரெண்டு verb கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Play அதுவும் verb தான், danceம் verb தான். So yes is not added. See here yes is there means we want to not add yes in the verb. So which is the answer? Play and dance. Play, dance. Okay, next one. The cake dash delicious. The cake dash delicious. Cake, how it look delicious. So cake. So it is looks. Cake la yes illa. So looks la we want to give yes. Next one. Sita dash every day. It is the first example. A rabbit plays. Yes. So Sita. Sita is a subject. So there is no yes. So we are adding yes in the verb. Paints. Paints is the answer. Tick. Next one. The gang of robbers. What is this? It is a collective noun. Swarm of bees. Gang of robbers. So what we want to give? See, gang of robbers dash from one village to another so that the police cannot catch them. So we want to give yes. For it is one unit. நம்ம இத வந்து ஒரு யூனிட்டா தான் எடுக்கும். So நம்ம என்ன கொடுக்கணும் இங்க? Verbல yes சேர்க்கணும். So moves. Next one. Fill in the blanks with the verbs from the box below. One of my friends. See, one of my friends dash to Delhi. என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்ல ஒருத்தங்க. அப்போ has gone. What is the first one answer? Has gone. Next, second one. One of the boys dash a present. Boysல ஒருத்தன் present பண்ணிருக்கான். So which is the answer will come here? Which verb is used here? Was given. Okay, remaining 3 is your homework. It is very easy to find, right? If you read the sentence, then you are able to find the answer. Next one, fourth Roman letter. Identify the incorrect verb and rewrite the sentence correctly. Also write the rule you follow to correct the verb. Okay, see here. Projects help students improve and understands a topic better. See, projects, yes is there. Helps, yes is there. So which is wrong here? ஒன்னு projectல yes இருக்கணும், இல்லட்டா helpல yes இருக்கணும். So projectsல yes இருக்கணும், help. Strike out the helps, then write help. Okay, first one. Next, another one. Understand is there, right? Understands. Understands is there. So you want to strike out the understands and write understand. Not yes will come. So understand. Okay. Understands. Okay, next one. Second one. The coffee or, see coffee, coffee is uncountables. Yes, coffee, see uncountable, money, information, water, sugar, beauty, love. Coffee also comes in the water, right? So we want to use is. So strike out the or, then is. Did you found what is the rule? First one is two, this rule. One subject, two verbs. So we are using that one. So you want to write the rule. Okay, this is the rule. Next, the second one is this rule, uncountable noun rule. So we use this. We want to write that. Next one, 5 kilometers. See, 5 kilometers, units of distance. This rule is here. So we want to give, what is the answer? Or is not come. We want to strike out the or. Then we want to give is. Next, fourth one. The team have is used for I. It is a team. Team means a group. So we want to use the word has. Strike out the have and write has. Next, fifth one. A pack of wolves. What is this? It comes under collective noun. So hunt. Hunt changes into hunts. Hunt, hunts. Okay, next is sixth one. The squirrels in our garden eats. See, eats. Eats is changes into eat. Okay, next one. The team members often gets together to discuss the matches they lost. Gets, not gets will come. Get is the answer. So strike out the gets and write get. Okay, next one. Taman and Jacob. Goes is there. Goes is changes into go. Yes, in the rule we learned for singular we want to use goes and plural we want to use go. So go. Here two members are there. So go. Next one. Richa or writing. Richa is one. So or is wrong. Strike out the or and write is singular. Yes. Next one. The air or so fresh. The air or not will come. Is the answer. Yes, air we not denote as singular or plural. Anything we didn't add yes. So is come. Okay, next one. Identify the errors in subject verb agreement and rewrite the sentences correctly. See here, Charik and his mother teaches music. What is the answer will come? Teach, not teachers. So first one, not teachers, teach. And the second one, okay, shall I give it as a homework? Yes, remaining 4 is your homework. Shall we note it? The teacher and the student is reading. Two members are there. Is there. Okay. Next one. The rice or rice. Singular or plural. We want to take it as a singular because it is uncountable. So what we want to give? You can check it and write. Is or is changes to what? You want to change. Okay. Next one. This bottle have. This bottle have. Have is used for only I. So have is changes into you can change. Okay, that singular nouns and plural nouns. This one is changes into this we learned, right? Yes. Next one. Here is two words. Here are the list of books. Here, okay, list of books. So we want to give not or. We want to change the verb. Next one is that you was. Was will not come. What is the plural form for that? We want to give that. Yes. This is your homework. This 4 is your homework, and in page number 36, this third one is your homework. Yes. Okay students, I hope you all clear about the topic.